Want to add a link to your website on your TikTok profile, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a link in your bio on TikTok. Now let's get started. To add a link to your bio on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap Edit next to your name. Scroll down and select Links. Tap URL. Then enter the website link you want to share on your profile. This could be a link to your website, online store, a link tree, or any other URL you want to have clickable on your profile. I'm adding our YouTube channel link. Tap Save to add your link to your bio. Then go back to your profile to see your new clickable link in your bio. If you don't see the option to add a link to your bio, you may need to gain more followers or switch to a business account. If you have a personal account, you'll need a minimum of 1,000 followers to access the link in bio option. If you have a business account, you can add a link without needing a certain amount of followers. That's all it takes to add a link in your bio on TikTok. Want to switch to a business account to get the link option? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.